So guys, this month's sponsor is Woven. Now Woven is a all-in-one calendar with powerful scheduling tools. Now I discovered it back in November last year and I've been using it for the last 3 months to manage my podcast meetings, festive plans and much more. Now Woven builds on existing calendar systems and gives you scheduling superpowers. Now first off, Woven has plenty of scheduling tools baked in. Send scheduling links to book one-to-one meetings with clients. Create group polls to plan an after-work event. Or use smart templates to quickly time block your calendar. Secondly, the powerful Maps feature allows you to plot and plan your commutes, organise where your next meeting is, and get a sense of direction in your day. Quite literally. My favourite feature has to be the scheduling tools. I've been using them for the podcast, arranging meetings, and also collaborations on the YouTube channel, and I've found it really easy to use. The design has to be shouted out too. Woven's attractive desktop app screams easy to use scheduling and helps you to get comfortable with your calendar. And Woven isn't just on desktop. You can get it on web and iOS too, with an Android app on the horizon. Now I made a bold statement a few months ago, Woven is a new sunrise and they're heading into a bright future. So try out this powerful calendar application today by visiting woven.com/keepproductive for more details. Thanks to Woven for sponsoring Keep Productive this month.